Hey guys, this is Michael Mangelli here in Sarasota, Florida. I'm standing aboard our recent trade. It's a 2025 Boston Whaler 330 Vantage. This boat features twin white V10 400 Mercury motors, low hours. This boat features an aft seat here at the transom with a sink, live well here on the starboard side. This particular boat also features ice maker here. The staple of all these Vantages are the seating configurations. Multiple positions. You can lay it down. You can use it rear facing, forward facing. Pop-up table here in between the two seats here on the port side. Nice little corner here. Corner seating as well. On the starboard side, you have the dive door. And the boat features off the hardtop a sure shade extending aft. Smartly appointed dash here with the acrylic dash. Single 16-inch Simrad unit, joystick control, spotlight. Full windshield on this boat. This boat does come with an option of half windshield. This obviously has the full windshield. Bow table, windlass, freshwater washdown. A lot of features on this boat, too many to list. Come check us out here in Sarasota. Michael Mangelli here at MarineMax in Sarasota.